them to come. Okay, next we have runners up. We have two runners up from girls and from boys too.
Bagus. Bikas,
From
bikas.
girls, we have first runners up.
Ay, gusto nga niya deh.
Any guesses, girls? Okay. But the first runners up from girls is Pranita Boro.
Yay! Ay, gusto nga.
Any guess on the proceed? Take a walk. Thank you. I request to felicitate her. Okay, next from boys, we have first runners up. Gideon sir,
Bikas. Bikas.
contestant number 10. I request him to proceed and take a walk. I request a judge to felicitate him. Okay, I request them to proceed and take a walk. Okay, thank you. Okay, next we have second runners up from girls. Last but not the least, we have Rima Das, contestant number 4. I request her to proceed and take a walk. Okay, request judge to felicitate her.
Bikasan, bikas. Bikasan ako.
So next,
Nga ba di malu ako?
last
Di
but
malu
not
ako.
the least, from boys, we have second runners up. Rupam Das,
So,
contestant number 13.
hey, सानायफ्राव बानायदो.
Thank you. I request
Nayan,
judge
hospital.
to felicitate him. Thank you. Now I request them to proceed and take a walk. Okay. Last, I request them to take a walk from first, from the winner, then runners up.
Jalba, जलवा Yo, blaze up the walk, light it up to the beat. Come on, जलवा 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 Gorgeous with attitude and never latitude. Yes, booty, come on, baby, do your duty work.
जिस्मों का है ये जलवा किस्मों का है ये जलवा शोहरत भी है ये जलवा मकसद भी है ये जलवा